I've added all the cap screws and nuts to the base frame, and now what I'm going to do is place the bearing flat. The bearing flat is where the drive shaft goes through, and there's going to be 12 of these. We'll start the process by placing 3 of them and show you how we assemble those. Again, we're going to be using eye-mates. Just to make it easier, I've turned off the visibility of that front channel. Let's rotate that around and get one of those bearing flats into place. Now I know it's going to be in that second hole from the left. Holding down the Alt key, I'm going to select that eye-mate, drag it across, and snap it into place. You can see it just drags around now. For the second one, zoom in a little bit, Alt key, snap into place. I've gone ahead and added all the bearing flats. As I said, there are 12 of them in total, and you can see where I've located those both on the inside of the channels. If you make a mistake on these and put them in the wrong place, of course you can go back and change those constraints. To hold the bearing flats in place, we use a pop rivet. We're not going to be adding rivets to all of the holes because there are some shafts and the motor has to be placed. There's going to be quite a number of these, and again we'll use the eye-mates. I'll show you a couple of them. So selecting the bearing pop rivet, selecting my eye-mate. I notice there's only one eye-mate left for selection. It makes it much easier because the bearing has taken up one of the eye-mates. And here we have all the bearing pop rivets in place. Notice there are 6 on this side, similarly on the other. It's a little bit different on the inside because we're going to be placing a motor on that middle area. I've placed one bearing pop rivet. I may have to move that later when I bring the motor in, but for the time being I've just placed it in that one location.